Hi, so in this video we've got the same graph of y f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 1, and we've got here the distance from this particular point here is 3 units, and what we're going to see in this case is what happens if we put a number of f of qx, something like f of 2x, what would happen to the graph. Okay, at the moment we've got y is equal to f of 1x, which is the same graph as this, but if we change q to be, let's just say 2, what happens is this, as this is 3 units, this distance actually is the opposite of multiplying by 2, it actually gets halved, so this distance becomes 1.5. Let's take this one down here, for example. The original distance here is 2, half of 2 is 1, so that point will go to 1, and those are the most two convenient points where you can see that happening. Here on the other side, for example, this distance is 1, and then half of 1 is going to be a half, so that gets a half away from the y-axis. So, and then if we did 3, then obviously if this is 3, this will be 1/3 of the way along, which is 1. And we could do 4 as well. If we're doing fractions, let's take 0.5 for example, then that's the opposite thing happens here. As this is 3, this distance will become 6 away. Okay, this distance was 1, therefore the distance on the image will become 2 away. Okay, if the whole thing is negative, so at -1, okay, at -1, putting f of minus x, for example, is the case where we actually get a reflection in the y-axis. Okay, so this distance is this distance here is 3, so this distance here will be 3 in this direction. Okay, and then obviously if you make it -2, then you reflect it and then do the stretch. Okay, so the conclusion for this one is that y is equal to f of q of x is a stretch parallel to the x-axis, stretch factor 1/q, compared with y is equal to f of x. So if we put this back to just 2, for example, then we can say the stretch factor here is going to be a half. Okay, so again, this GeoGebra applet I'll put in the notes of the video. So this has been a video to show you how to do stretches parallel to the x-axis. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.